I'm Amy, and I work in the regulatory department at FONA International. I graduated from Augustana College with a chemistry degree. I was a little unsure what my future would hold, and I did not really want to go to graduate school. I spent a year in the lab before the revelation hit me that I didn't want to work in a lab anymore. After researching and shadowing different careers, I landed at FONA in regulatory by accident. What I discovered is that there are a lot of careers that are science-adjacent careers. These types of careers require the use of scientific knowledge and scientific-derived critical thinking skills. The best part of a science-adjacent career, you don't have to do the dishes, and there are a lot of dishes to wash in the lab. My work in regulatory as a career, specifically for a flavor company, revolves around checking FONA's products for compliance against any number of standards, rules, and regulations. Compliance just means that FONA follows those rules. This involves reading the regulations and determining whether or not we can even comply, then collaborating with our R&D group and the customer to make sure that everyone's on the same page. Some examples of the regulations and rules revolve around kosher, USDA bioengineered, non-GMO project, vegan, organic, and more. I like my job as a science-minded person as it gives me an opportunity to problem solve on a daily basis. If you are a student that loves science but doesn't know if you want to go into the lab or grad school, there are a lot of options for you in the workforce, particularly the food industry. My advice to you is think about what kinds of activities are fun to you and try to find careers where you spend a lot of time doing those specific activities. For example, I love totally immersing myself in a topic I know nothing about just for the sake of learning about it. Regulatory, coincidentally, is a lot of that. Don't be afraid to try new things, and if you find out that you don't like it, that's just another data point.